Welcome back to Invincibles, everyone. So I'm going to go over XELA with you guys, as XELA has been consolidating overall recently. I want to make sure we do cover exactly what would have to happen for XELA to break out of this consolidation and continue on up. In my opinion, XELA has been one of the most watched stocks recently. I saw Zip Traders was talking about XELA recently as well. I want to make sure we do cover the technical side of exactly what would have to happen for XELA to continue on up and have that major breakout here. And also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over XELA with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I want to show you guys exactly what's been going on recently, and then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly what's going on overall, what's going to give us that major push that we're looking for here on XELA to get that major breakout. I know a lot of us are waiting for that major breakout on XELA, so I want to make sure we do cover them. But I want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned FCUV this last week halted at $7.20, jumping all the way up to $29 on the day, jumping over 300% on that major breakout on the day. We mentioned IPHA in pre-market on Thursday at about $5, jumping all the way up to $8.50 into Friday on that major breakout and continuation. We also mentioned CEI testing that 76-cent mark that we got rejected from on Thursday and continued on past that, jumping all the way up to 95 cents on the day. So again, if you guys want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert through the day again. So again, on the 5-minute, we have been consolidating, moving sideways ultimately throughout the week, and we're looking to see if we can get a nice move here on XELA. Now, again, we do like how we have been continuing on up slowly, but again, we're looking for that strong push here. I'm going to back up to the 4 hours so we can look at what has been going on overall here and what kind of momentum we have been getting here on XELA. So as you guys can see here on the 4 hour recently, we did have that major spike all the way up to $5.40. Now we have been coming down since then, looking to see if we can gain momentum and get back up to that resistance that we did have around $5.40 and continue on up and possibly jump into this major wick that we had previously all the way up to $7.77. So again, that major spike was from March in 2021, and again, this major recent spike was in July 21st, it looks like, and we are looking to see if we can have another major spike like this. And in my opinion, to get that confirmation, you guys can see again, we have been not getting too much volume recently, and we do like that spike recently that we have been getting, and we could be just having a technical spike here from that major spike that we had recently and that continuation on up, or we could be building some momentum here on this consolidation and possibly have a major spike up. Now, in my opinion, to get that confirmation, as you guys can see here on the MACD, we have the EMA lines that have been crossing back up and down on the MACD, showing us a lot of consolidation, again, decreasing in buy pressure and decreasing in sell pressure. In my opinion, that shows a lot of compression here on the stock, showing us that we have been consolidating within a very strong consolidation here. We could be making a strong move up, and in my opinion, we're going to make sure we do play on confirmation on this. And in my opinion, to get that confirmation and to get that momentum and to make sure we do catch it on time, I would be setting my alert here on TradingView here. Click on the plus sign, you click add alert, and you put that alert right above this previous buy pressure point that we did have when we did spike to the $5.40 mark. Now, again, this spike on the buy pressure could come before we do break above our $5.40 mark, and that would be confirmation on a nice play, in my opinion, to have a nice breakout. But again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I would be doing. I would be setting my alert right above this previous buy pressure point based on the consolidation we have been having and based on the compression that we have been having recently on this consolidation and a lot of volume that has been here on XELA on this consolidation. We could have a major move up, and I want to make sure we do get our alert here to make sure we do get confirmation on this momentum. If we do not break above our previous buy pressure point, we are looking like a major breakout. So again, if we can get the momentum breaking above our previous buy pressure point, then we could have that momentum jumping into this major wick here. And at that point in time, we're going to be looking to see if we can break above this previous buy pressure point that we had here on this major spike from $7.77 to see if we can break past that and then possibly break into this major spike that we see here and possibly get that rejection at $10, but hopefully past $10 at that point in time. XELA definitely on the watch. Again, overall has been consolidating, in my opinion, and we could come down even further and possibly have a pullback and then have a major breakout at that point in time. But in my opinion, XELA definitely on the watch based on the consolidation we have here on the larger time frame on the 4 hour. On the MACD, we could have a major spike at some point in time. Now, I do like how the EMA lines recently are coming up to test this MACD and possibly cross up and possibly give us that momentum. But again, XELA still definitely on the watch for this momentum at this point in time, in my opinion. But again, definitely on the watch and definitely a lot of compression going on here on XELA to possibly make a major move up or a major move down. And of course, if it does break out, we will be alerting this one in the Instables room. And again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through it again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, as always, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.